Impact of the Russia-Ukraine war on the foreign reserve of Bangladesh, presented by Sabiha Yasmin. Introduction. Overview of the Russia-Ukraine war began in February 2020 with Russia invasion of Ukraine, escalating global economic, political, and humanitarian impacts. Focus of the presentation: analyzing how the war has affected Bangladesh foreign reserve. Key aspects: inflation, energy price, trade disruption, remittance. Bangladesh foreign reserve overview. What are the foreign reserve? Foreign reserve refer to the assets held by a country's central bank, usually in foreign countries, gold or special drawing rights. They serve as a buffer to manage exchange rate, trade imbalance, and economic crisis. Current status of Bangladesh Foreign Reserve 2024. As of early 2024, Bangladesh foreign reserve are experiencing pressure. The reserve level has dropped significantly from previous year, contributing to challenges in currency stability. Key factors impact Bangladesh foreign reserve due to the war. Inflationary pressure. Price of oil, gas, and food commodities surge due to disruption in global supply chains, especially from Russia and Ukraine. Inflation in Bangladesh rose sharply, increasing the import cost of essential goods. Increased energy price. Bangladesh is heavily dependent on energy imports, especially from Russia and Ukraine for coal and natural gas. The price hike in energy export raised Bangladesh import bill and devalued its foreign reserve. Impact on trade and import cost. Disruption in trade. The war caused a decline in global trade, especially impacting countries that depend on grain export from Ukraine as such as Bangladesh. Bangladesh faced shortage and rising cost for wheat and sunflower oil, essential food items. Cost layer imports. Increase in fuel prices. Key imports for Bangladesh. Higher import costs drained for reserves, putting pressure on Bangladesh trade balance. Remittance for foreign reserve. Impact of the war on remittance. Bangladesh relies on remittance from worked abroad, particularly from Middle East, Europe, and Russia. The war in Ukraine affected the economic conditions for Bangladesh extractives, especially in Russia and neighboring Europe countries. Decline in remittance. Economic stability in Ukraine and Russia led to reduced remittance impacting Bangladesh foreign reserve. The depreciation for currencies war affected region also reduced the value of remittance sent home. The impact on currency exchange rate. Depreciation of the taka. Due to the increasing external pressure, the Bangladesh taka depreciation against the US dollar. Foreign reserves were used to stabilize the taka's value, leading to further depletion of reserves. Efforts by Bangladesh Bank. Bangladesh Bank intervened in the country market using reserve to manage the taka depreciation. However, continued economic instability from the war meant limits success in stabilizing the currency. Government measures and policy responses. Monetary and fiscal policies. The Bangladesh government took steps to address the foreign reserve situation, including increasing remittance diversifying foreign currency sources, tightening of import credit and controls on non-essential imports, borrowing from international bodies. Bangladesh sought support from institutions like IMF, Asia Development Bank, and World Bank of bolster reserves. Conclusion and future outlook. Current status: Bangladesh foreign reserves are under significant stress due to the ongoing impact on Russia-Ukraine war, with inflation, rising energy price, and disrupted trade exacerbating and situation. Future outlook: with ongoing geopolitical instability, Bangladesh will need to diversify its economy, reduce dependency on energy import, and find ways to boost remittance. Long-term situations may include increasing export, negotiating better energy deal, and enhancing local production to reduce dependency on global supply chain.